Good PM. Ngayon po ay Tuesday, April 16, 2024 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Tuesday, April 16, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong April 16, 2024 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Tuesday, April 16, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 10 million pesos. Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 17.5 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 73 million pesos for April 16, 2024 Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Tuesday, April 16, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.